Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on remote login on MacBook Air. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on remote login on MacBook Air, click on System Preferences. Here you will find a button Sharing. Click on Sharing. Here you will find an option Remote Logon, and by default remote login is turned off. Just click on the checkbox to turn it on. Now remote login is turned on and you can use SSH and type this username and IP address to log in this computer remotely. You can also allow full disk access for remote user. Just click here. Or you can allow access for users. You can allow access for all users by clicking here, or you can select a particular user only by selecting only these users. Click here, and you can add user here by clicking on add icon. Just select users and click on select. Now look, the user is selected to remote access on this Mac computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.